Imagine waking up one morning with an extra $10,000 in your bank account, all earned in just 90 days. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, for many people, it's a reality that can be achieved with the right mindset, strategy, and a bit of hard work. I mean, think about it. That's like selling your old car or getting a significant bonus at work. And who wouldn't want that? The idea of making an extra $10,000 in just a few months is tantalizing. And it's definitely possible if you're willing to put in the effort. To start, you need to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and what you're capable of achieving in a short period of time. Take a close look at your budget, your skills, and your resources, and identify areas where you can cut back and allocate that money towards your goal. For example, if you're someone who loves to dine out, consider cooking at home more often and putting that extra $500 a month towards your objective. It's all about making sacrifices and prioritizing your goals. Now, one of the most effective ways to make $10,000 in 90 days is to start a side hustle. This could be anything from freelancing, to selling products online, to renting out a spare room on Airbnb. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. For instance, if you're a great writer, you could offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and charge a premium for your work. Or, if you have a spare room in your house, you could rent it out to travelers on Airbnb and earn up to $1,000 a month. Another way to achieve this goal is to sell unwanted items or assets that you no longer need. We all have stuff lying around the house that we don't use anymore. And selling it could bring in some much-needed cash. You could sell your old phone, your bike, or even your old car, and put that money towards your objective. Alternatively, you could also sell handmade products or crafts online and reach a wider audience through platforms like Etsy or eBay. In addition to these strategies, it's also important to be proactive and take calculated risks. This means being open to new opportunities and being willing to step out of your comfort zone. For example, if you see a business idea that has potential, don't be afraid to invest in it, even if it means taking a risk. Or, if you have a skill that's in demand, don't be afraid to charge a premium for it. Remember, the biggest risk is often not taking any risk at all, and playing it too safe can lead to stagnation and missed opportunities. Furthermore, having a strong support system is crucial when working towards a big goal like this. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your abilities, and who will encourage you to keep going even when things get tough. You could also join online communities or forums where people are working towards similar goals, and learn from their experiences and advice. And, of course, don't forget to reward yourself along the way, and celebrate your small wins. This will help you stay motivated and focused, and make the journey more enjoyable. Finally, making $10,000 in 90 days requires a tremendous amount of discipline and perseverance. You'll need to be consistent in your efforts and stay committed to your goal even when faced with obstacles and setbacks. Remember, it's not going to be easy, but the potential reward is well worth it. So, if you're ready to put in the work and make some sacrifices, you could be $10,000 richer in just a few months. In conclusion, making $10,000 in 90 days is a challenging but achievable goal that requires the right mindset, strategy, and support system. By starting a side hustle, selling unwanted items, being proactive, and staying disciplined, you can increase your chances of success and reach your objective. So, what are you waiting for? Start working towards your goal today. And who knows? You could be enjoying a $10,000 windfall in just a few short months. Subscribe to Cipher for more.